And then there's this piece. I can see tool marks. It comes to such a sharp, it's like a blade on the edge. And then all along in here you can see tool marks. And it's all smooth, like to hold maybe around the edges. Like it comes to this blade. That's how sharp that is. And then this is all flat. And then I'll show you these too. I thought this maybe was coal or something, but I don't know. It's really light. It feels like that, like burnt wood. And then I found this little bird stone. There's like a pecked out eye, and then the line for the wing, and then the beak. And I thought maybe this was one of those things they would wrap rope around and then throw it, and it has these sharp parts. Like it just really feels smoothed down and like shaped into this shape. And then look at all the like marks, like they were throwing it. Like they could whip them so fast it would turn into like a bullet. I thought maybe that could be that, but I don't know. I don't know. Have a wonderful day.